Welcome to Review Rumble. The best gingerbread house kit is probably one of the most festive and fun ways to get into the holiday spirit, offering a delightful hands-on activity for families and friends alike, transforming simple ingredients into a sweet, edible masterpiece that's perfect for decorating your home or gifting to loved ones during the most wonderful time of the year. Number 5. Wilton 101-Piece Cookie Cutter Set. Introducing the Wilton 101-Piece Cookie Cutter Set, a vibrant collection designed for endless creativity in the kitchen and beyond. This comprehensive set includes a complete alphabet, numbers, and festive shapes for every holiday imaginable. You can create fun messages and themed treats with ease. Designed with a 1/3-inch comfort edge and a deep blade, these cutters are a joy to use. They make cutting through dough and other foods effortless. Beyond cookies, these versatile tools are perfect for shaping sandwiches, fruits, and more. They're also fantastic for various crafting projects, adding fun to any activity. Cleanup is a breeze as these cutters are dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety of shapes, including a full alphabet, perfect for any occasion. If you love personalizing your baked goods with messages or need cutters for diverse holidays, this is the ideal choice. It's also great for crafting and cutting more than just cookies. What people say. It seems to have the major seasonal cutouts, as well as larger and smaller shapes, i.e., Christmas, Halloween, Easter, Spring, Valentine's Day, some vehicles, and several types of circles, and all the letters and numbers. The cutters are sturdy, cut cleanly through dough, and hold their shape well, even with repeated use. The variety is fantastic. You get letters, numbers, and a wide range of holiday shapes, which makes it perfect for everything from birthday cookies to seasonal baking and school projects. Number 4. Easy Playhouse Gingerbread House. Introducing the Easy Playhouse Gingerbread House, a delightful art and craft kit for endless indoor fun. Let your child's imagination run wild as they color and personalize their very own holiday sweet escape. This gingerbread house is a blank canvas for festive creations. Your child can bring their favorite holiday sweets and winter friends to life using stickers, markers, crayons, or paint. More than just a coloring project, it transforms into a magical fort or tent. It's the perfect cozy spot for imaginative play, reading adventures, and creating sweet gingerbread memories. Discover fun details like mail slots for sending and receiving letters, and windows and doors that open and close. It's designed for interactive play, allowing little ones to come and go as they please. Crafted for durability, this playhouse is ready for indoor and outdoor adventures. It's over 3 feet tall and simple to put together, providing hours of creative enjoyment. Looking for a unique gift? This art and craft activity is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It's a wonderful way to stimulate creativity, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination for hours of family fun. What we like. This is a large, customizable cardboard gingerbread house that doubles as a play fort. If you're looking for an engaging activity that combines art, imaginative play, and a cozy space for kids, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for encouraging creativity and hours of indoor fun. What people say. The gingerbread walls and roof pieces are pre-baked and sturdy. The kit includes plenty of icing and candies for decorating. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making assembly straightforward. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert Gingerbread House 10267. Gather your loved ones and create joyful memories with this delightful brick-built gingerbread house. It's a festive holiday centerpiece that everyone, young and old, will adore. Construct a charming gingerbread house featuring frosted roofs, vibrant candy buttons, and candy cane columns. Its glittery windows and a glowing fireplace chimney add a magical touch. This set comes complete with sweet gingerbread man, woman, and baby figures. You'll also find candy furniture, a baby carriage, and a snow blower for added fun. This building set offers an enjoyable challenge for ages 16 and up. It's a wonderful gift that the whole family will cherish and build together. Once built, it stands over 8 inches high, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. This impressive creation makes a stunning centerpiece for your holiday decorations. What we like. This offers a detailed and engaging building experience with LEGO bricks, resulting in a festive display piece. If you enjoy intricate building challenges and appreciate a high-quality, collectible holiday decoration, this is the set for you. It's perfect for teens and adults who love Lego and holiday themes. What people say. The gingerbread pieces were sturdy and well-cut, making assembly straightforward. The included candies were plentiful and varied, allowing for creative decoration. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 2. Create a Treat OREO and Sour Patch Kids Holiday Cookie House Kit. Get ready for a festive and fun decorating experience. This kit brings together two beloved brands for a unique holiday activity. Imagine the delicious possibilities as you combine classic OREO flavors with the tangy twist of Sour Patch Kids. It's a treat for all your senses. Inside, you'll find all the essential components to build and decorate your dream holiday cookie house. Let your imagination run wild with the included decorations. Gather your loved ones for an unforgettable crafting session. It's the perfect way to create lasting holiday memories together. Surprise someone special with this delightful decorating kit. It's a thoughtful and tasty present that's sure to bring smiles. The joy of the holidays is at your fingertips. Create, decorate, and then savor the delicious results of your hard work. What we like. This kit combines two popular brands, OREO and Sour Patch Kids, for a unique decorating experience. If you're a fan of these candies and want a fun, collaborative holiday activity with a sweet and sour twist, this variety pack is a great pick. It's perfect for families or friends looking for a tasty decorating project. What people say. I love the two very different themes and they came with everything you'll need. Super sturdy, I was able to pack them up and save for next year. The houses stayed together, but I could have used some more icing. Number 1. Wilton Build-It-Yourself Mini Village Gingerbread Decorating Kit. Gather your loved ones for a delightful afternoon of gingerbread decorating. It's a perfect way to create lasting memories together. This kit comes with everything you need to build and decorate 4 charming gingerbread houses. It's ready to assemble right out of the box. Unleash your creativity with included candies, green fondant, and ready-to-use icing. Decorating bags and tips are also provided for easy application. Once assembled, each house stands between 3.25 and 4 inches tall. They're the perfect size for a delightful mini village display. Build your own unique gingerbread village with this all-inclusive kit. It's a fun and engaging activity for the whole family to enjoy. Please be aware that this product contains wheat. It is also made on equipment that processes egg, milk, soy, and tree nuts. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to build and decorate 4 mini gingerbread houses, perfect for a small village display. If you're looking for a fun, family-friendly activity that yields multiple charming creations, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for creating a festive centerpiece or for sharing the decorating fun with several people. What people say. The cookie pieces are very tasty and not rock hard. We liked that there were multiple houses, so each kid could work on one. The gingerbread cookie itself was tasty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.